Today's dashcams can do a lot more than simply record video. Let's take a look at the top options and features on the market to help you find the best fit for your needs. First up is the Garmin Mini 2, a compact and discreet dashcam that doesn't skimp on quality. This little device is incredibly easy to mount behind your rearview mirror, barely noticeable from outside the car. Despite its small size, the Mini 2 captures high-quality 1080p footage with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring you get a wide perspective of the road ahead. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 is its voice control capability. You can simply tell it to save a video or start and stop audio recording, all without taking your hands off the wheel. This is especially handy during tense or unexpected road incidents. Connectivity is another strong point. The Mini 2 integrates seamlessly with the Garmin Drive app, allowing you to view, edit, and share your footage directly from your smartphone. Whether you're dealing with an accident or just want to share a clip of a beautiful drive, it's all at your fingertips. The Garmin Mini 2 may be small, but it's mighty when it comes to protecting drivers and capturing crucial road footage. So, if you're looking for a dash cam that offers great performance without cluttering your windshield, the Garmin Mini 2 could be the perfect choice for you. Next up, the Cobra SC400D is a step up for those who are serious about their on-road security and want some of the clearest footage possible. The SC400D stands out with its ability to record in 4K resolution. The higher resolution means that the footage is not only clearer, but also allows for significant detail to be captured, which can be crucial in the event of an accident. This model offers a 160-degree field of view, providing an expansive view of the road and its surroundings, which is wider than many other dash cams on the market. Another impressive feature of the SC400D is its built-in GPS. This isn't just for geotagging your videos, which can help in legal situations, but also enhances the safety features, such as speed alerts and journey tracking, keeping you informed and secure as you drive. Additionally, the dash cam includes an innovative driver alert system. It warns you of potential forward collisions and lane departures, adding an extra layer of safety. Connectivity is also a breeze with the SC400D. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, making it quicker and easier than ever to download and share videos directly from your dashcam to your smartphone via the Cobra app. This is especially useful if you need to save or send footage on the go. For those who demand top-quality video and advanced features, the Cobra SC400D is a powerhouse dash cam that could significantly enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind with its superior recording capabilities and added safety features. Next on our list is the Rove R2, a dash cam that packs a punch with its impressive feature set and user-friendly interface, making it a favorite among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The Rove R2 captures video in full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring that the footage is clear and detailed. While it might not offer the 4K resolution of the Cobra SC400D, let's take a look at some of the unique features that make it stand out. The Rove R2 is one of few dash cams to have built-in night vision. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures that your nighttime recordings are as clear as those taken in daylight, making it an ideal choice for those who do a lot of driving after dark. Moreover, the dashcam supports up to 512 gigabytes of microSD storage, which means you can store hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. This is particularly useful for long trips or for drivers who don't regularly download their recordings. The user interface of the Rove R2 is another high point. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can easily navigate through menus and settings without a steep learning curve. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer straightforward gadgets, this dashcam is accommodating. For drivers looking for a broad feature set at a reasonable price, the Rove R2 is an excellent choice. It offers a great balance of quality, functionality, and ease of use. Moving forward in our dashcam review, we have the Vantrue N43, a unique model that takes coverage to the next level. This dash cam is designed for drivers who need more than just a front-facing camera, providing comprehensive surveillance with its triple-channel capability. The Vantrue N43 records the road ahead in crystal-clear 1440p resolution from the front camera, while the rear and interior cameras capture footage in 1080p. This triple camera setup ensures that every angle around your vehicle is monitored and recorded, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers who need to keep an eye on the road and their passengers simultaneously. What sets the Vantrue N43 apart is its ability to provide around-the-clock security. It features a built-in infrared night vision for the interior camera, which makes it highly effective in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. This feature is crucial for capturing clear video of the interior of the vehicle during nighttime rides. Another great feature of the Vantrue N43 is its parking mode. When the engine is off, the dash cam automatically switches to parking mode, using motion detection to record any activity around the vehicle. This provides peace of mind when your car is parked, as the camera will start recording if it detects any bumps or physical movement, potentially catching vandals or thieves in the act. While the Vantrue N43 offers extensive coverage and high-quality recording, it is slightly bulkier compared to single-lens dash cams, which is something to consider if you prefer a more discreet setup. Additionally, its price point is higher due to its advanced features and multiple cameras, making it a more significant investment. For those who need maximal coverage and are willing to invest in top-notch security technology, the Vantrue N43 is an excellent choice. It offers unparalleled recording capabilities with its 3 cameras, making it ideal for anyone who wants to cover all bases when it comes to vehicle surveillance. Next, we'll wrap up our review with a dash cam that combines cutting-edge technology with radar detection for a truly futuristic driving experience. The Escort Max Cam 360C isn't just a regular dash cam. It incorporates full 360-degree radar protection, which alerts you to nearby radar and laser speed monitoring devices. This feature is invaluable for those who spend a lot of time on highways or in areas with frequent speed enforcement, helping you avoid tickets and drive safer by staying aware of your speed. In terms of video capabilities, the MaxCam 360C records in crisp 1440p resolution, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured with clarity. This high-resolution footage is crucial when you need to discern license plates or capture incident details accurately. The camera also includes a wide-angle lens that provides extensive coverage of the road, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. One of the most innovative aspects of the MaxCam 360C is its integration with the Escort app, which allows for real-time alerts from a community of drivers. This networked approach keeps you informed about speed traps, road hazards, and other important updates from other users in real time, enhancing your driving experience and safety. Additionally, the device is equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as collision and lane departure warnings, which contribute to safer driving by alerting you to potential dangers before they become critical. While the Escort MaxCam 360C comes at a premium price, its combination of dashcam and radar detection technology makes it a top-of-the-line choice for tech enthusiasts who want the ultimate in vehicle gadgets. It's more than just a dash cam. It's a comprehensive driving assistant that blends surveillance, information, and connectivity to keep you safe and informed on the road. In conclusion, whether you prioritize high-definition recording, comprehensive coverage, or cutting-edge technology, our top 5 dash cam picks offer a range of options suited to different needs and budgets. Each model brings something unique to the table, ensuring that you can find the perfect match to enhance your driving safety and convenience. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Safe driving, everyone.